ठीक है. We are starting with reflection, refraction and diffraction. ठीक है. अभी let's start with wave fronts. ठीक है. What are wave fronts? Let's say this is a wave. Okay. So what did we understand over here? कि if I have a line that joins all the points with same phase, है ना? They are known as wave fronts. अरे ये क्या है? Good question है. मैंने किया. हाँ.
सर वो आपने वो कुछ एनिमल कर दिया वो.
नहीं पहनी है यार. क्या हो रहा है? ब्रो. अच्छा.
हाँ वो अलग पेन था.
Okay.
Finally.
So these are all the points that are on the same phase. है ना? तो this is a wavefront, right? Wavefront का एक simple property है that wavefront is going to be perpendicular to the direction of propagation of your wave. For example, if I am looking at water waves, right? तो wavefront should look something like this, है ना? Let's say इसको right? This is what the wavefronts are going to look like. If I want to plot कि ये wavefronts reflect करेंगे तो कैसा दिखेगा, right? How to do that? देखो. फिर से let me make some. ठीक है, ये अपने पास waves है. What is the distance between these waves called? Wavelength. Right? Because ये wavefronts, दो wavefronts, consecutive wavefronts कहाँ पे होंगे? They will be nearly equal, which is why this should be your wavelength. Let's say it is reflecting through a surface like this. Let's say it's reflecting through a surface like this. Okay? What will be the direction of their reflection? First, let's understand कि कहाँ से कहाँ wave जा रही है ना? तुम लोगों को डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो रहा है ना ये?
नहीं.
अच्छा, ठीक. So, let's say the wave is going from deep water to shallow water. ठीक है? Now, in shallow water, the waves are slower. Shallow, slower. ठीक है? If the waves are slower in shallow water, then what should happen to the wavelength? In the previous class, हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Velocity increases, wavelength increases, है ना? V is equal to F lambda.
It should be smaller. तो
V is equal to F lambda.
wavelength will decrease.
Wavelength will decrease, है ना? If it is refracting from deep to shallow water, it will decrease, right? If it is reflecting, what will happen to the wavelength?
Reflecting.
Because we bounce back.
Hmm.
So sir, it will cancel each other out. वैसा sir?
No.
नहीं?
It will remain the
Same. Okay.
because it is going back in the same position.
Yeah.
कैसे करेंगे? How to do it? देखो, let's first understand कि reflection कैसे होगा. Let's say ये wall है, यहाँ से waves अब reflect होने वाली, right? तो first, what is the law of reflection?
Law of angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Is for us this becomes the angle of incidence whenever we are looking at wave fronts, है ना? Actual waves में क्या होगा? This is your plane, right? Then if this is your incident ray, then your angle of incidence is this, the angle between normal and your incident ray. The angle between the reflecting surface and the wavefront becomes angle of incidence. So how much should be angle of reflection? The angle
The
of
same
Equal
reflection.
to the angle of
It-
Right now the waves are coming in this direction. They must go in a general this direction after reflection.
Yeah.
Yes.
है ना? So what I will do from here, I will draw first ray. ठीक है? Let's say, let me take a straight line. Let's say I draw a ray. है ना? You can use protractor to measure.
Okay.
है ना? Let's do that. Let's see if we can use a protractor to measure what are the angles that we have. ठीक है? अच्छा बड़ा तो नहीं हो रहा है बट
सर आप देख सकते हो, बोल सकते हो, if you can see.
हाँ वही मेरे को लगा अगर if it can go any bigger.
Oh,
Rotate.
क्या हुआ?
अब अच्छा
नहीं
हो
हो
गया.
गया.
सब हो जाएगा भाई सब हो जाएगा. देखो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस नियरली कितना है? लेट्स मेजर इट.
30.
37 है ना? So from here also I should draw.
37.
तो 180 minus 37 कितना होगा?
153.
43. 143.
Sorry, 140.
पक्का 143 ना?
yes.
कैलकुलेशन करेक्ट है. 143 ड्रॉ करते हैं
Yeah,
है ना?
हाँ.
ओके अच्छा चलो इसको ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं एंड लेट्स क्लोज दिस. यू सी दिस ग्रीन लाइन. This green line, what is it? It is your
reflected ray.
wave front. This is not ray. What is this? This is your wave front. है ना? तो let's try.
Sir, I have a doubt. So how is this your wave front, sir?
Meaning,
Sir.
because if you are drawing a reflected wave front to the incident wave front,
Okay.
है ना?
हाँ.
First we calculated angle of incidence with the wave front, है ना? So this is your reflected wave front, right? What should you do? You should draw parallel lines with almost equal distance. पहले जितना distance था दो लाइन के बीच में अभी भी उतना ही distance रखो. And what will this become? This green lines are your
Reflected wave front.
है ना? यहाँ पे अंदर दिख नहीं रहा. Anyway, so this is it. ठीक है? यहाँ तक draw कर सको तो please कर लो.
Sir, is your remote?
हाँ?
Is your remote?
हाँ ले है. अब वेव फ्रंट्स दिख रहे हैं.
What can you give the heading as?
Wave.
Wave front, reflection, refraction and diffraction. We'll also look at some videos where reflection, refraction and diffraction is taking place. Because I had so much copy paste capabilities in this, I have drawn smaller wavelength. है ना? What you should do? See, board says कि you should have drawn at least 3 waves. है ना? And they must be equidistant from each other. So you draw 4 or 5 only. I have drawn some 8 or 10. Right? The more you draw, the more the chances of error. So what you should do? 3 minimum है. We can draw 5. है ना? And keep, if there is no width given to you, try to draw a good width where you can easily by eye understand कि ये इतना दूर है ना? In this, what you also have to mention that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, है ना? ऐसे यहाँ पे reflection होगा, right? And this reflected angle is equal to angle of incidence, that is the law of reflection.
But I think mine is wrong. चलेगा?
अच्छा, मेरे को वहाँ से दिखा एक बार.
I'm pretty sure.
It's wrong.
Both of the sides should be like my incidence angle is 79 degrees, so even this should be 79.
From left hand side, yes. So try to draw more inclined line, that will give you a better view of what is happening.
Yes, sir.
लिख लिया सबने?
Nigga, you wanna go dance? It's actually shut up. Still be like internet slow. So I think
हाँ वाला भाई.
सर ये वाला एंगल है तो अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू ड्रॉ दिस.
भाई बल्कि ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर बनाएगा तो तेरे को तकलीफ पड़ेगी ना यार. क्या बना रहा है? देख फॉर एग्जांपल 1 2 3, ठीक है. यहाँ से तुम्हें ऐसे बना ना, फिर 4 और 5. अब देख एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कितना है?
36 37 approx.
ऐसा कुछ है.
Yes.
तो यहाँ से 36 37 36 ले लेते हैं, है ना?
Okay.
तो what will this be? यहाँ से ज्वाइन कर दे,
Yeah.
यहाँ से ज्वाइन कर दे, यहाँ से ज्वाइन कर दे, बन गया तेरा रिफ्लेक्टेड वेव फ्रंट, है ना? Also, your reflected wave fronts, try to make them start from the joining of this line, है ना? So what I have done is ये blue और ये green line they are meeting over here. Here there should be a blue line, है ना?
Understood.
So what it will make you understand that this wave front came like this, and so it came like this, and then it got reflected in this direction,
Understood.
right? Does this make sense to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let's have a look at refraction. Okay, let's see. So this should be a let's say कि एक there is a trough, right, or there is just a water body, and I have placed a glass block so as to decrease the depth of the water over here. ठीक है, right? ये पूरा this is a container in which there is water. Here I have placed a block such that it will raise the level of water over here, because water maintains its own level. On this part of the block, water will be shallow. Everywhere else, the water will be deep. है ना? Now, let's see. Let me also draw only 3 wave fronts. मैं भी 3 wave fronts देखता हूँ क्या होता है. So this is 1, this is 2, right? And this is this should not be third one. This is the third one. Equidistant लग रहा है by view,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
है ना? So this is deep water and this is shallow water over here. As I said, slower in shallow water. What should happen?
It
The
will
wavelength should, if V is equal to F lambda,
decrease.
wavelength should decrease. How will I show decrease of wavelength? Simply take
Closer.
this line from here.
And make it closer.
How will I make it closer? Make it bend towards the surface like this. Even if your line are drawn equidistant, and if you join those lines from the ending point of the incident lines,
Yeah.
right, they do appear near. And let's
Yes.
see if I can use this straight line tool. See, let's say this is over here, this is over here, and this is how the wave appears over here. Even if they start from the similar equidistant point, but because the wave bends, what is refraction? Refraction is bending of waves. Light waves also bend, so refraction is bending for that also. True. But what happens in refraction? In refraction, the wavelength decreases because the velocity decreases when you go from deep to shallow water. If we have already considered that lights are waves, then the same thing should happen to light. When a light travels from air to glass block, the light speed actually gets slower. So the light waves will also bend something like this. Now, something to understand over here with the perspective of light or the direction of propagation. See, here the direction of propagation is this, correct?
Yes.
है ना? But here the direction of propagation is a little bit like this, है ना? Now, if I draw a normal, right? Normal is perpendicular to the refracting surface.
Yes.
परपेंडिकुलर तो है. Okay. Can I also write a statement that refracted waves move towards the normal?
Yeah.
If their speed decreases, they move towards the normal. If their speed is going to increase, they will away from normal. So here you can assume the same thing. If water wave was starting from this side, right? If water wave was starting from this side, these wavelengths would increase.
Yes, okay.
Here we have smaller wavelengths, the wavelengths would increase. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Sure? Please draw this.
So if we move from, like, let's say we're doing from deep to shallow, if we go from shallow to deep, the length between the waves will increase?
Because in deep water the waves are faster.
Okay. Yes, sir. So here we don't have to angle anything, no? Or we do?
Here we don't have to, but in light we will have to. We will look at those calculations when we come to them. Here, just the understanding that you have to gain is wavelength decreases, so the wavefronts come nearer because the velocity is decreasing.
Understood.
क्या सोच रहा है भाई? अच्छा ड्रॉ कर रहा है. ओके. In your exam, they just ask you to draw these 3 green wavefronts.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? रिफ्लेक्टेड पूछेंगे, रिफ्रैक्टेड पूछेंगे और डिफ्रैक्टेड पूछेंगे. है ना? They will not ask you to show the reflection of waves with the help of wavefronts. There is no question like this. They will show us that the wavefronts represent water waves and they are being refracted at this surface. What will happen?
So will the line be tilted or can it go a little straight also like this?
कौन सी लाइन?
Okay, no, I understood.
Also, can we say that if it goes from a slower speed to a higher speed, the direction of wave moves away from normal? जैसे slower में towards the normal हो रहा था, वैसे ही faster में away from normal, because if you look at it like this, तो यहाँ पे away from normal जा रहा है. Dotted line normal है इसमें.
हाँ sir, I understood that normal वाला कि away and towards. सर जो आपने नीचे green waves draw किया सर वो नहीं समझ में आया सर आपने क्या किया exactly.
See, what I wanted to show, I know that the wavelength
Decreases when
because the velocity is
decreasing, yes.
Right.
Yes.
So the wavelength decreases only if I draw it like this. In इसके inverse अगर समझ ले कि मैंने ऐसे draw किया होता, right? ऐसे draw किया होता, like this. What happens to the wavelength?
Increase.
So I have to push it like this. अब ये कितना angle किया है ना, वो अभी calculate नहीं किया है. Just मैंने दिखाया है that I think they will decrease. So this is what the direction of the waves is going to be. कितना bend करना है that we will see in topic 3.2. Right? We will look at laws of refraction and we will see how to calculate this. है ना? Trigonometry हो गया maths में?
नहीं sir.
सर complete में आया start हो गया
Yeah,
सर.
it's going on.
कोई बात नहीं. थोड़ा
मेरे
देर-
सारे ratios करवा लिए sin.
I know a little bit. मैंने पढ़ा है थोड़ा.
नहीं हुआ है तो थोड़ा मैं बढ़ा दूंगा जितना जानता है।
Yes, sir.
हो गया है तो वेल एंड
इस चैप्टर में है ना सर कुछ आई थिंक कोई फॉर्मूला है।
लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन में है ना।
हाँ
डन राइटिंग गाइस दिस।
Yes, sir.
सो वन सेकंड।
No diffraction, sir. No diffraction.
लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
ओके नाउ डिफ्रैक्शन है ना, मैं थोड़ा सा एक सिमुलेशन से बताऊंगा, राइट? बट बिफोर वी गो टू दैट लेट अस लुक एट रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ वेव्स। ठीक है, देखो तीनों वीडियो देखने जैसे हैं। लेट्स हैव अ लुक।
So can you turn off the lights?
ब्रो एक बात बताओ, आई डोंट नो इफ विच स्विच वर्क्स फॉर लाइट। व्हाट इफ मैं ये ऑफ करूं तो टीवी ऑफ हो जाए,
It's fine, sir.
है ना? थोड़ा सा चला ले भाई, मेरी मेमोरी के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा चला ले, नहीं दिक्कत होगी बस।
Yes, sir.
let's see it रिपल टाइम क्या होता है मालूम है क्या?
No,
they
sir.
will make ripples, यहाँ से
हाँ,
vibration होगा, there is a bucket trough filled with water, they will give it a disturbance, what will happen? Water will make waves, है ना? we are going to see how wave, देखो ये जो part है ना, right, this is like जो हमने डायग्राम में ड्रॉ किया था, right, when we make waves थोड़ा सा चेंज हो रहा है एंगल, एकदम थोड़ा सा हो रहा है देखो, on this edge, right, the waves are instead of going straight like this, they are going a little bit bent, एकदम।
Oh yeah, like the little.
हाँ, you let's have a look once more, है ना? Because it
सर
is
कुछ
water,
पीस रखा है क्या उसमें? हाँ ओके, ग्लास का
ग्लास
piece
का
है।
पीस जैसे
हाँ,
हमने
हाँ,
हमारे डायग्राम में दिखा, वैसे ग्लास का पीस है ना। See this bends a
हाँ
little,
हाँ yes it bends.
है ना? And it is bending in the way we have drawn diagram. So it is actually correct that in shallow water waves are slower. Makes sense,
Yes, sir.
है ना? Diffraction, okay. Before we look at diffraction, एक second, एक और है large angle reflection. Let's see what is this large angle reflection. यहाँ से reflect होना चाहिए, है ना? नीचे ग्लास रखा है, I think, right? And what is this? देखो यहाँ पे क्या किया है, ऊपर कैमरा है, सॉरी ऊपर लाइट है ना? This shadow and light pattern will exactly show us कि क्या हो रहा है.
Okay.
So sometimes they might ask you in paper also how to look at these waves in better way. So you can say camera, photo, shadows. There are a lot of ways, है ना? देखो फिर से, see it's going like this and then reflecting in this direction. Can you see यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा square pattern हो रहा है?
हाँ yes yes.
है ना? That is how waves are being
Understood.
Like how in our
reflected.
diagram.
How in our diagram, yes, correct. Now let's look at one simulation where we will look at diffraction of waves. ठीक है? यहाँ पे शायद already open है.
हाँ sir, sound waves.
अच्छा, there is ये देखो, this might not be that intuitive because यहाँ पे sound waves they have shown as a circular sound waves, पर यहाँ पे देखो ऐसे pattern
Yeah.
बन रहा है,
It's going back.
है ना?
Understood.
So it goes back in the form it comes, right? But let us just a second. मेरे को डिफ्रैक्शन बताना है, तो जस्ट अ सेकेंड ओपन कर लेते हैं सिमुलेशन। समझ आ रहा है ना रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन इन वाटर वेव्स। वी विल लुक एट दिस इन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स आल्सो, बट वहां पे वी डोंट नीड टू ड्रॉ वेव फ्रंट्स, वी विल ड्रॉ जस्ट स्ट्रेट लाइंस। ठीक है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे वेव फ्रंट्स दिखाना। रिफ्लेक्शन इज बाउंसिंग बैक, रिफ्रैक्शन इज बेंडिंग, है ना, डिफ्रैक्शन इज स्प्रेडिंग। लेट्स लुक एट व्हाट डज दैट मीन। देखो फॉर एग्जांपल एक ये वाटर वेव जनरेटर है ना, एंड देयर इज अ क्या बोलते हैं गैप, समझो एक हार्बर है,
हाँ,
ये छोटे से माउंटेन्स जैसा है या गेट है ना, ये वाटर वेव है। क्या होगा इफ वाटर वेव जनरेट्स लाइक दिस, राइट? सी इट्स बेंडिंग अराउंड द, and if this gap, if the slit width gets smaller, it starts spreading. Let's say frequency मैंने increase कर दी so that it makes more sense, right?
Okay.
But if the slit width is very large, it will only bend around the corners.
It's lesser as you increase the width.
So it has something to do with the wavelength and the gap. But are you understanding? If the gap decreases, instead of just bending around the corners, it starts spreading.
सर वो गेट को मूव करने से कुछ होगा सर, कुछ डिफरेंस?
Sir, so the basically this is like a wall.
अभी नहीं होगा।
Okay. The yellow line is like
The
a
yellow
wall.
line
And
is
beach
like
में
a
there's a
wall.
little place.
Gate. There is a little slit.
Okay.
इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
स्लिट।
Right. This can happen for every wave, and this is actually how we proved that light is also a wave. देखो, all waves reflect, है ना?
Yeah.
But light, we considered light are not waves, right?
रेज।
Rays है वो सिर्फ, तो that also reflects. How would we prove that light is a wave? Only if can have this phenomenon. What is this? This is diffraction.
Diffraction.
Only if it is a wave and it is made to pass through a very small gap.
Yeah.
If it starts spreading, then it was a wave. If it does not spread, it is not a wave. Fun fact that we have also proved electrons are also wave. Electrons are also waves. ठीक है? Because they diffract. When you bombard a lot of electrons and the gap is smaller or equal to the size of electrons, even the electrons start, which proves that they are waves. But that is a study for another day, which is not very near. ठीक है? But do you understand here?
Yeah, sir.
So what is the relationship between this gap? Can we all agree that as the gap increases, the diffraction
Decreases.
diffraction takes place when the gap is equal to wavelength.
Refraction.
Takes place when this gap is equal to wavelength. अगर wavelength ज्यादा हुआ गैप से तो भी diffraction होगा. But if wavelength is smaller, or in other words gap is bigger, right? When I say bigger gap, meaning उसका meaning क्या है? Let's look at this diagram and देखो ये freeze हो गया diagram. Now if this gap right, is greater than the wavelength,
Okay.
right? Let's say this is A and let's say this is B,
Okay.
right? So A wavelength greater than gap,
Okay.
so diffraction will happen.
Okay.
Wavelength equal to gap, diffraction will
happen.
happen. But wavelength smaller than gap, diffraction will not happen. The waves will just bend. These are spreading. Diffraction is spreading of waves.
Sir,
So I didn't understand. Sir, simulator में can you show that
Sorry.
if the wavelength is smaller, diffraction?
But sir, right now wavelength diffraction is taking place, right?
We will see.
But sir, the width of the slit is 2 centimeter, but the wavelength is only 1 centimeter.
How do you know it's 2 centimeter?
Sir, one has a slit width.
Slit width is 2 centimeter. How do you know wavelength is 1 centimeter?
No, ऊपर लिखा है.
अरे
Okay.
ब्रो एक सेकंड
वो gap
तू
distance
गलत
है.
सोच रहा है. बट इज दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yeah,
अभी मैं सिमुलेटर में दिखा देता हूँ कि ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, लेट्स सी कि
भाई वो स्लिट का वो है.
देख तू क्या गलत समझ रहा है मेरा. तू देख इन दोनों के सेंटर के बीच का गैप 2 सेंटीमीटर होगा. एक्चुअली तू कैसे देख रहा है? इतना गैप 1 सेंटीमीटर है,
Yeah.
ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है, तो इन दोनों के सेंटर के बीच में 2 सेंटीमीटर जितना गैप होगा ना.
Yeah.
So that is 2 centimeter. Width is also,
2 centimeter.
so it is diffracting. Let's say मैंने width कर दिया 2.5 centimeter. Let's see what happens. Instead of being diffracted, can you see the waves are only bending now?
Yeah.
ये सीधी जा रही है, but
Spread
from
नहीं हो
here
रही.
spread नहीं हो रही है. यहाँ से सिर्फ bend हो रही है.
Understood.
है ना? पक्का make sense?
Yes sir.
Right? Split width अपने पास इतना हो गया.
सर मैच कर दे तो भी होगी, लाइक 2 कर.
हाँ
मैच कर दे तो भी होगी.
हाँ हाँ.
Can you repeat the statement of wavelength?
हाँ,
Diffraction.
હું હજી બે ત્રણ વસ્તુ બતાવું પછી હું આખું રિપીટ કરું then you can write. Okay, so these are water waves. Let's look at sound waves, right? Let's see, right? यहाँ पे रख देते हैं so we can see them properly. ये गैप कितना है? 50 सेंटीमीटर है.
Okay.
और अपना स्लिट विड्थ कितना है? 90 सेंटीमीटर.
Okay.
लेट्स मेक इट अ लिटिल लार्ज. 150 पे क्या हो रहा है देखो. 150 पे
They're just bending.
Bending.
they bending from the sides, that too. Where
बिल्कुल
it is
edge से bend हो रहा है.
edge से, है ना? So it is, can I say that this is bending only from here and here? There is a slide, ऐसे है,
Yeah.
Yes.
right? Something like this is happening. So they are bending from the edges, right? But if the same thing, let's say मैंने width 20 कर दिया,
You can see it spreading across.
right?
Understood.
Make sense? Let's also, when I increase the frequency, the wavelength decreases. चलो frequency minimum कर देते हैं, तो we have the greatest wavelength,
Yeah.
है ना? They if for the same velocity they should be inversely proportional to each other. दिख रहा है पूरा का पूरा spread हो रहा है. The same thing. So sound is a wave, उसमें ऐसा हो रहा है. Water waves में ऐसा हो रहा है. Let's look at light. Okay, now this is 500 nanometer, right? And slit width is 200 nanometer. Let's see what.
अच्छा सर वो
हाँ,
वाला
green
बटन दबाना,
button
green
दबाना।
button.
Oh, sorry. मैं सोचूं क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? See, can you see spreading?
Yes, sir.
Let's say I increase the width, which is much greater than the wavelength. See, it
वो
stop
spread नहीं हो रहा.
spreading.
Understood.
Right? So diffraction is spreading, but if the wavelength is smaller
Or-
than the gap,
और
then it
greater
will
than-
just, if gap is bigger or the wavelength is smaller, it will just spread. है ना? So let's write down about diffraction. Diffraction is the bending, diffraction is the spreading of waves after passing through a gap. Spreading of waves after passing through a gap
through a gap. After passing through a gap.
Smaller or equal to the wavelength. Smaller or equal to the wavelength.
Done.
है ना? फिर डिफ्रैक्शन के दो डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो. In one diagram you have to show that it just bends around the edges if the gap is too big. दूसरे में ड्रॉ करो that if the gap is small then it spreads. है ना? For this एक 3 पॉइंट भी लिख सकते हो. Gap greater than wavelength, no diffraction. Gap है ना? ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि let's say gap greater than wavelength, no diffraction. Gap equal to wavelength, diffraction will take place. And gap smaller than wavelength, diffraction will take place. Okay? After this, you draw diagram. Right? But this will be your class today. चलो